Take a ride in the 2023 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hood scoop, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, sports suspension, front suspension type, strut, rear step bumper, fog lights. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.